And this is the bag itself. It's quite large. Got a zipper on the top, which exposes a little purse type thing in the middle, a shoulder strap. You've got two little pockets on the side here, a couple of areas for putting pens in. You've got a zipper, which has a nice little storage area there. You've got a little Velcro strap, so you can put your laptop in here, and some other gear in the rest of it there. On the side, you've got a snap lock on one side, and on the other, you've got a zipper. So plenty of storage space in the bag itself. And this is what the over the shoulder strap looks like. It seems to be quite well made. You've got a little, as I said, this little purse area here, zipper on it. You've got a little handle, carry handle, and this little piece here, you can actually attach it to the little carry thing here itself. So it's quite nice. It appears to be reasonably well made. The bag itself is also lined, which is a bit of a plus. So that's about all I can say about it. And drop in the laptop. Fits in there quite easily, and there's also room in the front if you want to put a charger or your mouse or SSD drives or whatever you want. So plenty of room in the bag itself. It's really, really nice. This is the shoulder strap attached, and as you can see, there's plenty of room, and I think any of the ladies out there will really enjoy using this bag. I know somebody in my household that does, but she does not like appearing on video, so you get my ugly face instead.